Assignment 4, Case Study 2. This case study is about Angela. Angela is a 22-year-old college student in her senior year. She follows a pescatarian diet, which will consist mainly of fruits, vegetables, and some fish. She is an active sorority member that meets 2 times a week in the evenings, and she acts as their program coordinator. Angela will work out 3 times a week for 1 hour on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. She also picks up 20 hours a week in the dining center as a cashier, typically in the afternoons. Angela's typical diet will consist of a breakfast smoothie that has 1 cup of strawberries, half a cup of blueberries, 1/3 cup of raw oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, and 1 cup of coconut milk in it. Moving on to her morning snack, she will have a half a cup of broccoli, 10 baby carrots, and half a cup of hummus. With lunch, she will have a Caesar salad with no dressing that has 1 cup of romaine lettuce, 1 medium-sized tomato, 3 ounces of salmon, 2 tablespoons Parmesan cheese, and 4 cucumber slices in it. She will also pack 16 ounces of green tea with lemon in a travel mug and carry it with her throughout the day. For her afternoon snack, Angela will have half a cup of raspberries and half a cup of blackberries. And to finish out her day with dinner, she will have 8 ounces of green tea with lemon and stir fry. The stir fry will consist of half a cup of tofu, 1 cup of brown rice, a 1/4 cup of peas, a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and a 1/4 cup of chopped mushrooms. Recently, Angela's been experiencing some fatigue throughout the day and a shorter attention span in her classes and sorority meetings, finding it hard to concentrate. This has led to a decreased performance in school and school activities. On top of that, she has found herself getting short of breath faster during her workouts. Because of this, Angela has gone to the school doctor. They ran through her medical history and sent her for a mental health screening. During this time, she was diagnosed with ADHD and given etoxamoxetine to help with her ADHD and help her focus in school. During the follow-up, she explained she had no better improvement. On top of that, she has developed an upset stomach and she started taking Tums. They assumed this was because of the atomoxetine and has prescribed her a different medication. In conclusion, what test should the doctors have run instead? And what should Angela have been diagnosed with instead of ADHD? How would you suggest Angela go about her treatment? Would you suggest her to change her diet? If so, what would you change her diet to? Or what suggestions would you make?